me, and since you're watching this, I bet you are, you've been dealing with poor vision for the better part of your life.
I remember 6th grade having the big old glasses on my face.
I was having trouble seeing the chalkboard in the classroom. I also played a lot of sports as a kid. I played softball and soccer, so I was having trouble seeing the ball. I'm literally pretty much blind.
She is. With our glasses, I could walk in front of her and she wouldn't even notice.
They said pretty much you're as blind as a bat, and so I hadn't noticed that I couldn't see the board until after that. Then I thought, no wonder I was squinting all the time.
I started out in elementary school with bifocals. I still have those glasses today.
When I took the glasses off or didn't have the contacts, I couldn't see the students' faces in my classroom. And that's a big deal. And I can't tell what they're writing down or if they're copying notes or if I'm at a pep rally doing the MC thing. It's hard to tell if the crowd is smiling at what I'm saying or if they're just sitting dumbfounded.
Big old glasses, big frames, and big old lenses. I wasn't as blind as her, but I was just, all my life, I was just used to it. Yeah.
At the time when I was at home, I didn't want to tell my parents I ruined another pair of contacts. Can we get another pair?